In this lecture, we are going to see an important topic, harmonic analysis, which comes under the Fourier series. It is an important question. Without harmonic analysis, there won't be any question paper. So, very easily we can do the problem under this. First, we will see that what is harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis is nothing but the process of finding the Fourier series Fourier series for a function given by numerical values. Okay, so numerical values for the constants, that is the Fourier constants, which is known as harmonic analysis. So harmonic analysis is nothing but we are going to find the a0, an, bn in numerically, that is called it as harmonic analysis. So there are some formula for a0, a1, a2 like that. So the Fourier coefficients a0, an and bn of the function y equal to f of x in 0, 2 pi are given by a0 equal to 2 into mean values of y in 0, 2 pi, an equal to 2 into mean value of y cos nx in 0, 2 pi, bn equal to 2 into mean value of y sin nx in 0, 2 pi. Here a0 is called constant term. Okay, a0 is called constant term. If suppose I am giving n equal to 1, then this will become as a1 and this will become as y cos x. Okay, so a1 equal to 2 into mean value of y cos x in the interval, which is a1, and b1 means here also b1 equal to 2 into mean value of y sin x. a1 comma b1 are called first harmonic functions. See a1 b1. If suppose I am taking n equal to 2, then we can get a2 b2, n equal to 3 a3 b3. So a1 b1 are called first harmonic. Similarly a2 b2 are called second harmonic. If I am taking a3 b3, that is called it as third harmonic, and so on. So this is what the basic idea about the harmonic analysis. So in the question, it will be given in the question itself. Find up to first harmonic, find up to second harmonic, find up to third harmonic, means according to the question up to which one we have to do the problem, up to that we have to do the problem. So how we are going to do the problem? We have to find the constants a0, an, bn and substituting in that required Fourier series. We know very well that the general form of a Fourier series f of x. In that one, if suppose the question only finding up to first harmonic means we will find a1, b1 substituting in the required series. Second harmonic means we need to find a1, a2 also. a0, a1, a2, b0, a0, a1, a2, b1, b2 also up to second harmonic. Likewise only we have to do the problem. Now we can see the first problem under this. Find the Fourier series expansion of period 2 pi for the function y equal to f of x, which is defined in 0, 2 pi by means of the table values given below. So table values also given. Find the series up to third harmonic. The table values are x 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, 2 pi. Y values are 1.0, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2, 1.0. So this is a question. Table values, x value given, y value is also given. Interval is 0, 2 pi. Obviously x value starts with 0, ends at 2 pi. So obviously the interval is 0 to 2 pi. We need to find the Fourier series up to third harmonic. That means we have to find a0, a1, a2, a3. Likewise b1, b2, b3. This question will comes under 16 mark. Okay. So now look at the table values. X value 0 to 2 pi. At the same time the y value, beginning value of y is 1.0 and the end value of y is 1.0. If it is the case, the values repeating in the beginning as well as ending are same. In that case we have to omit the last one. We have to take up to the 5 pi by 3. Up to this only we have to take the value. Look at the solution. Since the last value of y is a repetition of the first 1.0, 1.0. So we can omit the last one. This one only you have to remember. Remaining everything will be easy under this problem. So this is the first thing. This is no need to write in the examination. Just to understand only I have written here. Now the required Fourier series is given by y is equal to f of x is equal to a naught by 2. We have to find up to third harmonic. So a1 cos x, a2 cos 2x, a3 cos 3x plus b1 sin x plus b2 sin 2x plus b3 sin 3x. We can call this as equation 1. So from the given table values, first we will put a table like this, x value, y value. First you put a table like this. In this question we need to find up to third harmonic. So I have written first x value, y value, then cos x. Okay. Then y cos x, y cos 2x, y cos 3x. This is the a0, a1, a2, a3. Then sin x, y sin x, y sin 2x, y sin 3x. To avoid the confusion, better you put a table like this. First you have to write all the values of x. It's given in the question. This y value also given. In some question paper, instead of y, it will be given as f of x. Both are same only. Okay, so write the value. Last value we should omit. So only up to 5 by 3 only we have to take. Now cos x. In the calculator, first you have to keep in your mind that take a calculator, make the mode into radian. Okay, change the mode as radian mode. With that only we have to do. So we know that cos x. So press cos and 0. Cos 0 value is 1. Then cos open bracket pi by 3. Close the bracket, you can get the answer as 0.5. Likewise, cos 2 pi by 3, cos pi, cos 4 pi by 3, cos 5 pi by 3. Complete the first column. Next, what we are going to do, we are going to find y cos x. So, y value is here, cos x is here. So, you have to put y cos x. Likewise, y cos 2x, y cos 3x. Everything we can do it only in the calculator. So, it will be very easily we can do that. After this, we can go for sin x, y sin x, y sin 3x, y sin 3x and y sin 2x. All the value we can complete. Now we have to find all the summation value, sigma y. Sigma y means you have to add all the values here. Then sigma y cos x, sigma y cos 2x, sigma y cos 3x, sigma y sin x, sigma y sin 2x, sigma y sin 3x. All the values first we need to find out. Then we have to find a0, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3. Before finding that, number of items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here n equal to 6 is very important. Now the formula, in the very beginning I have shown a0 equal to 2 into mean value of y in 0, 2 pi. Mean value is nothing but sigma y, that is 2 into sigma y by n. Sigma y value is 8.7 by 6. So the answer a0 is 2.9. Then a1 equal to 2 into sigma y cos x by n, and substituting the value we can get a1, a2 and a3. Likewise, b1 equal to 2 into sigma y sin x. So substituting the value 2 into sigma y, answer is 0.524 divided by 6. You can get b1 0.17, b2 answer, b3 is 0 obviously. Whether it is 0 also we have to put the table. Okay, so b3 equal to 0. So after find out all the constants values, we will come to equation 1. Substituting these values in equation 1, y equal to a0 by 2. So 2.9 by 2 plus a1 cos x plus a2 cos 2x plus a3 cos 3x plus b1 sin x, b2 sin 2x, b3 cos sin 3x value is 0. So y equal to 2.9 by 2, 1.5, and we will arrange the terms. Cos x, we know very well that the Fourier series is of the form sigma an cos nx plus bn sin nx. So a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. Then in the both the term, you can see that cos 2x sin 2x. In both the term we have minus, so you can take that. So b2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. Then b3 0. So only a3 cos 3x. This is what the required harmonic analysis. Thank you for watching.